Okay, this is my setup for showing the waveform of the Deus coil on an oscilloscope. I have a loose wound bundled coil attached to the oscilloscope. What I thought I'd do is work from the Goldfields program, and I've just got it set up in 4 kHz at the moment. So frequency 4, frequency shift default. If I go into sensitivity expert, I can access the TX power. If I go down to 2, that's how it changes. I'll put it on there first, like that. And I'll just go through them. So that's TX1, TX2 and TX3. Now if I can zoom in, I'd better do it this way. So I can go back down again, 1, and 1 again. Now when I go back into frequency, hit expert, change the frequency shift, changes again. So that's 1 under default, default, 1 over default. So there you have it. I won't do any of the others because they're much the same. Leave it at that. Thank you for watching.